So let's look at question 7. It says here the length of the base of a triangle is 4 times its perpendicular height. So I'm going to draw a triangle like that. Its perpendicular height, that's that height there, remember, at 90 degrees. And it's saying 4 times that height. So let's give that the letter x, and this is 4 times it. And they're saying that the area equals 72 centimetres squared, and they want to know the length and the height. That's area of a triangle, so we need to remember our growth green box, area of triangle. Hopefully you should remember this, the half base times perpendicular height. Okay, you need to remember this stuff. So let's go through it. It's a half times the base times the perpendicular height, and we're told that this equals 72 centimetres squared. And as you can see, we don't like the x's here, the crosses, so let's get rid of those and also say a half of 4 is 2, so it's 2x squared equals 72, and therefore 2 watts of 72, quite complicated, 2 watts, divide that by 2 on your calculator if you want to, so you divide it by 2, and you get x squared equals 36. How to get rid of x squared? Well, you square root button on your calculator, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's there on mine, so the square root button, so that means x equals the square root of 36, which equals 6, so it's 6 centimetres. So to answer the question, then I say the base is 4 lots of 6, so 4 lots is 24 centimetres, and the height is simply just x, 6 centimetres. Okay, so question 8, it says the length of the rectangle is 3 centimetres longer than its width. Okay. So again, same, you'll see it's just same the whole time. That's x, it's 3 centimetres longer, so I'm adding 3, and it says that the area is 70 centimetres. Now, this is going to be a bit more challenging. The area is base times height, so it's going to be x plus 3 times my x, so I'll put that there, and that equals 70. So, a bit more challenging this one. You've got to think of a number times a number that's 3 times more to get to 70. So 2 numbers that make 70, where there's a difference of 3. So for instance, if you said 2 numbers that make 70 with a difference of 3, think of 2 numbers that when you multiply together have a difference of 3. So hopefully you'll see, if I did 7 times 10, there's a difference. That is 3 more. That is 3 more. And this is just guessing. You have to do it this way, okay? So therefore x equals 7. And then the dimensions, the length is 10, because it's 3 more, and the width is 7. And this is a case of just trying to work out there's a difference of 3, 2 numbers with a difference of 3 that multiply together to make 70. The questions you'll get will be kind of basic, you should be able to get them in the end, but they are challenging. Question 9. The lengths of a triangle are in the ratio of 2 to 2 to 3. 2 to 2, so it's an isosceles. This one's an isosceles. How do I know that? Because that's 2, and that's 2, so they're the same, and that's 3. And they say that the perimeter equals 35 centimetres. Now, if this is the case, I can simply say 2 laptops times something, plus 2 times something, plus 3 times something, the same something. I can put any dimension, they could be inches or centimetres or metres or millimetres, whatever it is, 2 lots of something works it out. Okay, so let's call it x. So there's my ratio. Now in this ratio, we know it equals 35 centimetres. So I need to add all these together. So I've got my 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7x equals 35. What do I times 7 by to make 35? What do I times 7 by? 5. So I know it's 5 centimetres. So therefore, this dimension is 3 times that, so it's 15 centimetres. That's 2 lots of 5, that's 10 centimetres. And this is 10 centimetres. And there's the dimensions. Question 10. The ratio of the width to length of a triangle. Okay, so the ratio of width to length. Width to length is 1, so call it x, to 4. So that'd be 4. That is 1 to 4. And they say the perimeter equals 45. So the perimeter, again, remember the perimeter is the distance around the outside. That's my little chick going into a cockerel. Oh no, we don't want boys, we want girls. Help. Right, perimeter, that's 4x, that'd be 4x, that's x. So we've got 4, 5, 9, 10x equals 45. More complicated here, 10 watts at 45. You use your calculator if you want to. Divide 45 by 10, and you get 4.5. So we know that x is 4.5, so we know the length is 4 times that. So 4 times 4.5 is 18 centimetres, and we know the width is x, 4.5. So that's goodbye from me and my chicks, all done.